Hello, this is Chris Yost at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Saturday, November 2nd, 2024. Behind me, newly arrived, is our brand new 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 210QSS Class C Motorhome. We're going to show on the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. So, just arrived. She is right there, 210QSS. Nice fiberglass cap. You're gonna have the Godzilla 350 horse V8, which would be like a rocket ship or something this size. This coach is just under 24 feet long, 2311 I believe. The huge electric awning, LED lit electric awning. And like all Coachmen Class C's, the awning always covers all the windows on this side, nice and big. So it's option with a 15,000 BTU AC, running boards, tankless water heater. There's also a 4,500 watt generator on board, which you'll see here in a little bit. LP tank there, which we fill. We also fill the gas tank. We give you a complete orientation too as far as our pricing. We have no hidden fees. We don't play any corporate games. So this here is just access for the back of the fridge. 12 volt fridge. Here's your furnace exhaust. LP quick connect here that's tied to that propane tank, so you can bring along your favorite Blackstone grill, whatever you want in this huge storage area. Cook outside underneath the awning. And heck, if you want, this thing is huge. I mean, goodness gracious, you can always almost put your unwanted guests in here. Just a ton. Another nice part about the Leprechaun is they do the Asdel backer behind this laminated fiberglass that deters and wicks water. So no delamination or bubbling of the sidewalls. This is also equipped with a 5,000 pound hitch on the back. It does have a backup camera right up there. It's also prepped for the Lippert ladder. There's a walk-on roof for maintenance. Also has the 7-way plug there. Fuel fill. Here's the discharge for the gray and black tank. Tankless on-demand water heater. Here's where your cable hookup is. Black tank flush. City water connection. Here's that nice 4,500 watt generator. I'll definitely run everything in this coach. As we like to say around here, just pull up to Walmart or go to Walmart across country and do your camping right in the lot if you want. Tell you what a beautiful day. 50 degrees here, November 2nd, Duluth, Minnesota. I mean, the snow's coming, but boy, sure is nice. Walk inside here, right when you come here, here's going to be your generator switch. It also has 12 volt heated pads on the tanks. Now, can't go out in the winter, but to get you through a night or two, it's definitely doable. Got your dinette right there. And this will actually go out like this. And go like this, in case you want to turn this into a C-shaped dinette for more sleeping. Obviously get your seat belts over there. Here's your cab. Backup camera is incorporated right there into the radio. Got your stainless steel sink right over here. Range top, microwave down below. Nice storage. A little bit more up here on top, nice and deep. Which is so great. So this is what's great about this fridge. It's beeping at us now. It's trying to run, of course. It's on 12 volt power. So someone's cooking. Okay, honey, can you get me a drink? Get your own drink. Well, if you're over here and you're laying in bed, you can actually go up. Open from that side. That right there is worth $1 million. No matter what this coach costs. That right there. Oh, what an idea. That saves a lot of arguments. Got your corner bed. There's your AC, furnace, of course. Look at all this wardrobe storage. My goodness, for a coach this size. I mean, granted, all I would get in my household is this drawer probably right here, which is all I need. But geez, you can go for a while and put a bunch of clothes in here. More overhead storage there. Never in my 24 years have I heard someone complain about too much storage. Never, never, never. And they put a skylight here in the bathroom to where if I put my 6'2" frame in here, as you can see, I'm not coming with, but I got plenty of room to get clean in here. Nice and bright in here too. Nice big window. Open that up, let some air in. That'll open as well for some cross ventilations if you don't want to use this air. And what's so nice about what Coachmen does that a lot of people don't mention, see this little step right here? Some people think that's inconvenient. But why they do that, A, is for the big storage area outside that we already looked at. But then, if you're sitting here, they build it so whoever's sitting here along for the ride, snoozing, having your food, cocktail, whatever, you can see out. You can see what everybody else is seeing, where everyone else raises this floor, and then you're looking at this. And you're like, okay, can I see what's coming? Oh yeah, okay, well here you can just sit right here. You don't have to worry about that. Another huge bed up here, or use it for storage. Put your totes, your gear up there. Of course, you do have the the TV on the swing arm that comes right out. Just a nice short coach from Coachmen Leprechaun. Heck, this is shorter than some of those crew cab long box pickups that are on the road. Here's a fully self-contained motorhome. Once again, this is Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. For those of you who don't know where Duluth is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. Like I mentioned, I've been here over 20 years. I'll do whatever I can do to earn your business. This unit's here. It's available right now. Fly in fact, right over there, past that tree line is International Airport. You fly in, come on back over here. Actually, I'll pick you up, bring you over here. This coach will be inside, ready to go, prepped, show through, full propane, full gas tank, and you can go wherever you want to go and get out of the cold weather that's coming this way. If you're interested at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime we post a new video, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.